If you want your highlights in OneNote to snap into perfectly straight, clean lines, you can do that in just a few quick steps. This is a great trick if you want your notes to look more organized, more readable, and a lot more professional. It is especially useful when you are marking important text, underlining key points, or creating clean study notes without messy freehand strokes. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple OneNote tips and software tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open OneNote and go to the page where you want to highlight your text. At the top of the screen, click the Draw tab. This is where all of the inking and pen tools are located. Once you are in the Draw tab, look for the Pens menu and choose your preferred highlighter color. You can pick the color that works best for your notes, whether that is yellow, pink, blue, or any other option you prefer. After that, adjust the thickness of the highlighter so the line looks exactly how you want it to look. A thinner line is great for subtle marking, while a thicker line can make important text stand out more clearly. Next, move over to the far right side of the ribbon and click the Shapes drop-down menu. From the list of shape tools, select the Line tool. This is the key step that helps your highlighter strokes stay straight instead of becoming wavy or uneven. Now, place your mouse or stylus on the page and drag across the text where you want the highlight to appear. As you draw, OneNote will snap the stroke into a perfectly straight horizontal or diagonal line. This makes it much easier to create clean, polished highlights with very little effort. If you need to, you can repeat the same process across other lines of text to highlight multiple sections neatly. And if you want different emphasis, just go back and change the color or thickness before drawing your next line. This method works really well for anyone taking class notes, reviewing documents, or building a more visually organized notebook. It is a simple but powerful way to make your OneNote pages easier to scan and understand. So, to recap, click Draw, choose your highlighter, open Shapes, select Line, and drag across the text to create a straight highlight. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next OneNote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.